Hello everyone, welcome. We're the Parish Connections. In today's video, we're going to show you our stay at Universal Endless Summer Resorts, Dockside Inn and Suites. We're going to give you an in-depth room tour of our suite, show you the on-site dining options, show you some of the resort amenities such as the pool area, arcade, and the Universal Studio store, as well as the transportation services offered to the parks. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, where we're going to be covering more travel and theme park content. Alright, let's check out the resort. Alright, we just arrived to Dockside Inn and Suites and are about to check in. When you do arrive, they do offer a 20-minute check-in parking lot that's located right in front of the lobby. The Dockside Inn and Suites resort has 2 towers separated by the lobby. Each tower also has its own pool. We're staying in tower number 2. We've made our way inside the lobby and are checked in. Now for our stay, we booked a 2-bedroom suite. Located in the lobby is the Universal Studio store, a Starbucks, and the Sunset Lounge.
Tenth floor.
Okay, we've made it up to our room. Let's give you a tour.
Now this is a 2-bedroom suite, so you see the rooms here. We do have another room with a bed in it, and I'll show you that. But just first coming in, you have this mirror here with the surfboard kind of separating the mirror from the beds. You got some hooks on the mirrors. To the right of the door coming in, nice little like beach table with the chairs, sitting area here, refrigerator, microwave, sink, little counter space, little shelf space here. So it's very spacious. Moving over, we have the 2 queen size beds here. Nice little chest here in the middle. Outlets, it has USB-C outlets here. This little piece here is kind of cool. I thought it opens up, but it's just for decoration, but it's like a little chest here. Got the TV. Nice little area for the phone. We have more outlets here. USB, USB-C. Some drawer space. So you get three drawers. Got your Bible. Then of course, 2 other empty drawers here. Some lights. And then we have a little view here. Open up the curtains. You kind of see the view down to where the lobby is. And I'm sure at night, looking out, you can see Volcano Bay and some parts of the city here. So you got some buildings, but it's still a good view. And by the way, we are on the 10th floor, so I'm sure at nighttime it's gonna look really pretty here. All right, let's move forward. So this area, we got 2 sinks here, your bath towels, hair dryer, and then you got the bathroom. So this is your standard bathroom toilet. Got your shower, tub. Comes with shampoo, conditioner, some cleansing bath bar here. Right across from the bathroom, you got the main bedroom here. So you got the 1 queen size. Once again, you got some lights here. Now in here, it looks like there's only a USB port, no USB-C. And there's one on each side. Also, there's a little closet space here. Have the ironing board, iron here. TV. Then little shelves with hooks. I think that's cool. You can like hang up your bags here. Nice little cushion chair. And then also another view.
Alright guys, we made our way back downstairs and are headed to the Universal Studios store. And this is some of the Endless Summer Resort merchandise. You have a shirt. They also have a lot of coffee cups and some shot glasses as well. And also there are some Quicksilver merchandise. The store also has a huge Harry Potter selection. They offer merchandise from Hufflepuff, Ravenclaw, Slytherin, as well as Gryffindor. Wingardium Leviosa. We made our way over to the arcade. This is also located on the first floor. The arcade has several different game options available for purchase. There are many different types of games available to play in the arcade, and they're perfect for kids and families. This includes air hockey, claw machines, many racing games, and a lot of sports games as well. We've made our way over to the resort's main dining hall. This is called the Dockside's Pier 8 Market. That offers quick service options for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It offers many grab-and-go options, including salads and sandwiches. There are 5 different food stations that range from anything from pizza, chicken and waffles, pasta, to burgers and fries. A salad bar is available. And there's also fresh fruit options. There is also a sweet treat station that includes anything from cookies, donuts, to cakes. Dockside has a great pool area that is very spacious and is perfect for families. It's beautiful as well. It really puts you in the mood of summer. There's also plenty of seating available around the pool. Now, we didn't make it into the pool this trip because the water was a little too chilly, but we definitely plan on coming back during the summertime. Located at the back of the pool is the Wave Maker's Pool Bar. Dockside offers bus transportation services to City Walk that runs about every 15 minutes. The bus hours are from 7 a.m. to 2 a.m. Now this is very convenient, and we definitely recommend taking advantage of the service when staying at the resort. It just makes it a lot easier to just hop on the bus and head right over to City Walk and then head over to the parks. When heading back from City Walk, be sure to locate the Dockside Resort bus pickup area. All Universal resorts have their own bus transportation pickup area that is numbered. This makes it very easy and convenient. That's going to do it for our video. We had an amazing time at Universal Dockside Inn and Suites Resort. This resort is part of Universal's value tier, and we would definitely recommend staying here if you are looking for a nice resort that is very budget friendly. We really enjoyed staying in our 2-bedroom suite. It was very spacious and would consider it perfect for families. We also enjoyed the resort amenities such as the pool area, the arcade, and enjoyed the food at the Pier 8 Market. Thank you all so much for watching. We really hope you found this video helpful in planning your next Universal Orlando vacation stay. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll catch you in the next video.